Good afternoon, everybody. So you're here because you can't get this brass to come shiny. I have spots on this sink that they really need to be cleaned up. I have scrubbed it and I can't get what's off of it. It looks pretty shiny in the camera, believe it or not. But you guys, I'm going to show you how to really shine this up so it looks brand new. I got scratches in the sink. After I clean this, I'm going to clean this. I need bleach with this, but the bleach is not going to do this. But I will show you what is going to clean this brass drain hole. So, this is number one. You want baking soda. Doesn't matter what brand, as long as it's bicarbonate baking soda. You want to put it just in here, maybe half a cup or so. And then you want white distilled vinegar. Anything with vinegar will do, you guys. You could do ketchup, like I said, probably pickle juice or whatever. Anything that's got vinegar. So I'm just going to pour this in here, let it foam. And you guys are going to see some magic happen. Just going to let it sizzle, fizzle, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to let it sit in there. I'm just going to let it sit. Let it soak on there for a couple minutes. I'm going to put a little more vinegar in there so it covers the whole drain hole. There we go. When vinegar reacts with baking soda, and vinegar is a natural acid, so it's going to take all of the acids that are on your brass off. So you guys, I'm just going to let this sit probably about 30 seconds. I don't know. And you guys can watch the magic happen. The reason I found this out was because today I have a Rubbermaid pitcher that I put my tea in right here, and the stains were so bad in this thing, and I didn't want to put bleach in it because bleach isn't good for our bodies. There's still some stains in there, but I pretty much got it out. Well, anyways, when I went to go pour the mixture down the sink, it turned this brass so much brighter. So it looks like it's really doing its job, you guys. Let's take this sponge and wipe it and see if we can get these marks off. You guys, it's coming off. Wow. I mean, I've always knew this, but I didn't think that to clean this way. I always just cleaned the sink and left that. It was, you guys, this was like brown. I mean, I didn't think it was actually brass. That is funny. Yeah, it's not taking any of this stuff off, but like I said, you guys, I'm just going to use bleach to clean that. This stuff is so, it's the smell of it. It actually smells good, but with it on the copper or brass, whatever this is, it's got a weird smell to it, you guys. A really weird smell to it. So I'm just going to let this sit a little bit longer. I really want it all to come off. So I'm wondering if just adding a little bit of water to it. This water is hot. There. Just let it sit in the water for a few more seconds. That baking soda, there's like no baking soda left. I'm not going to put any more baking soda in. I mean, I can do this again to clean it more, but I think it really did a good job, you guys.
Hey, beautiful. You've got a text message. Hey, beautiful. You've got a text message.
I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's my boyfriend. He's texting me. Okay, you guys, I'm going to let this drain. Let it out. Because it's been 5 minutes almost. And I'm going to let that run. And you guys, look at that drain hole. It's shining again. How pretty. How pretty is that? Well, you guys, so you know that if you can't get this clean, you use baking soda and vinegar and let it soak. You guys, if you like this video and you found it helpful, please share this video with everybody you know. And please hit that red subscribe button so you guys can be notified of the rest of my videos after this. And please hit that thumbs up if you liked it. You guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.